Namaste. The oldest school at Zoho Schools of Learning is the School of Technology, which is almost 2 decades old now. The youngest school is the School of Business, just 2 years old as of today. Get a student from either of these schools or get a faculty who teaches at these schools or get one of these managers at Zoho who absorb students from these schools and ask them this question: what did you learn? More often than not, the answer we get from them is we learned how to learn. Across the past 16 years, that has been our intent, to get students right out of school and give them that initial motivating spark that will set them on a path of lifelong learning, something that will let them learn all the contextual, relevant material in an experiential manner and get started with their careers. So, there is this conventional path into Zoho. To become an employee, you apply and get selected. And there is this school entry into Zoho, where instead of college, you enter Zoho Schools of Learning and get trained there for 24 months and become an employee. But very often over the past few years, we have been asked this question: I am a graduate. Just because I finished college, why are you penalizing me? I didn't know that Zoho Schools of Learning existed. If I had known, I would have joined you. So, for such students who have finished any of these common 3-year, 4-year degrees, we have started a new program called the Zoho School for Graduate Studies. It is an intensive program. It is a 3-month program. It is a program exclusively focused on graduates who have just finished college, who don't have any work experience. Who can apply to this program? Let's make one thing very clear first. If you are applying to the Zoho Schools of Learning, you shouldn't be able to apply to this one. If you are applying to the Zoho School for Graduate Studies, you shouldn't be able to apply to Zoho Schools of Learning, because that is 17 to 20 years and this is above 20, below 24. What are the educational qualifications at Zoho Schools of Learning? We look for class 12 or 10+3 diploma. At the Zoho School for Graduate Studies, we are going to ask you to produce any degree certificate, graduate or postgraduate degree. The specialization doesn't matter, irrespective of specialization. In fact, you need not even have completed your course expectations. There may be some arrears. There are students, some amazing students who have reached us here at Zoho with arrears in their college time. But one thing we expect at Zoho School for Graduate Studies is we want you to have some fundamental understanding of software development. It could be a basic understanding of any language. It could be C, could be Java, could be Python. It could be something you have done at college. But just realize that when you enter, we will be evaluating you for your ability to write code, the basics of it. You're welcome to apply to the School for Graduate Studies if you are a student at some college. Just make sure when you step in to this school, to that 3-month program, you don't have any pending engagements at college. This is intensive. This is going to really keep you very, very busy, and we can't afford for you to spend time elsewhere, writing exams, attending classes. So we want you to finish all your engagements at college when you enter the School for Graduate Studies. Yes, you're welcome to apply to the School for Graduate Studies even if you are a student at a college right now. But the expectation is, when the course starts here, you must have completed all your engagements with your college. You must have finished the degree, the exams must have completed, and you mustn't ask us permission to attend a class or write an exam. This is an intensive course. We are going to try and pack in the 3 months that we have a lot of very interesting instructional material. So be ready for that. Finish everything with respect to your college, complete the degree requirements, then enter the School for Graduate Studies. Okay, let me be really frank about this. We don't really want to disturb you. You have set yourself on a nice career path. Focus and try to get yourself a good career there. But if you still want to apply to the School for Graduate Studies, yes, you are allowed to apply. But I want to underline something pretty important here. We are not assuring you a job at Zoho just because you successfully complete the School for Graduate Studies program. At the Zoho Schools of Learning, we actually assure you, if you complete that program successfully, you're actually assured of a job at Zoho. That is not the case with the Zoho School for Graduate Studies. Here, our responsibility is to evaluate you, take you in, give you an intensive 3-month program, train you and prepare you in a way that nobody else can probably prepare you for sitting at the entrance test and the interview for a Zoho job. But beyond that, it is up to you. So think about it. Would you want to sacrifice a settled job that you are currently in and probably risk it all and come here to the School for Graduate Studies? All the best. Like we already told you, our aim with the Zoho School for Graduate Studies is to prepare you to sit confidently for the Zoho technical test. We don't want to leak the question paper to you. We will never do that. And it keeps changing in pattern every year anyway. But we intend to give you a strong foundation on all the technologies that are involved. And we want to give you exposure to the practical assignments that you will be asked to probably complete if you are taking the software engineer path at Zoho. Eventually, we also intend to diversify, like we did at Zoho Schools of Learning, into the School of Design and the School for Business. Right now, we are only deeply focusing on technology. So you will be given very deep understanding of how software is built using programming languages like Python and Java. You will have a keystone assignment at the end where you probably do a project, its complete life cycle from the beginning to the end. We will expect you to be a self-learner here. We will expect you to either be at our office in Chennai or one of the many satellite offices. You can find their locations at our website in the link given here. Yes, that's the million-dollar question, and the answer is very simple. We are conducting this course, this is a 3-month course, as I have already told you, 4 times a year. January, April, July, and October. 1 month before it is time for the course to start, you can visit our website down there, and all details you need, the application forms, answers to all frequently asked questions will all be found there. Okay then, I am really thrilled about this new innovation that we are trying at Zoho Schools. We have had considerable success over the past 16 years because, like I started in the beginning, our focus has been how to get students to learn by themselves, how to get them to learn the art of learning. So all the best then. looking forward to meeting you all come January.